What's up? What's up, Beaver Gang? Today we're out here with the neighbor Sam, and we got my sister's boat out here, and we're doing a good deed. We're getting it fixed up for her. Last summer she had no reverse, so superstar Jesse right here.
I'm gonna try to make some adjustments on it.
Yep. He adjusted the cable, and now we're about to do a 100% cold start. It's been sitting since last summer, so it's going to be cold. There's gonna be like no fuel up in there or nothing. Yep. You pull that little knob out. Yep.
Try it. There it goes.
Like I said, she hasn't ran since last summer. Oh, sounded like she wanted to try right there. Did you hear that?
Hard for you.
We should get some starting fluid and retry.
How about brake cleaner?
Brake cleaner, probably just as good.
That's tight.
A little. All right.
Look at that.
Woo!
Wants to go.
Ready? So close.
She sounds like she runs good. We'll get her figured out. All right, part 2, guys. We found a little primer ball down yonder. We primed her up. We're gonna give her one more little squirt, and we'll hit her again with the key. I have a good feeling about this one, guys. Yeah. It does sound pretty good. That's a 100% cold start from sitting for years. Well, since last summer.